In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Patreon page, Creator Setup. By the end, you'll have a creator page up and ready for customization, with the core details in place, so supporters know who you are and what you make. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Patreon. Type the name into your search bar and look for the official Patreon website in the results. If you see ads at the top, skip past those and choose the official result to ensure you're on the right page and your information stays secure. Click through to the Patreon site. Depending on your browser and any saved sessions, you might be prompted to sign in or create an account before you continue. Just follow the on-screen prompts if that appears, then proceed to set up your creator page. You'll be asked to choose a name for your page. Pick something clear, memorable, and aligned with your brand or the kind of work you create. If you already have a public name on other platforms, this is a great place to keep it consistent so fans can find you easily. You'll also see a confirmation about whether your page includes content not suitable for people under 18. Be honest here. This setting helps Patreon show your page appropriately and keeps your audience safe. When the name and the age suitability are set, click Continue. Next, choose your URL, the unique web address for your Patreon page. Keep it short, clean, and easy to say out loud. Avoid special characters when possible, and aim for something that matches your name or brand. If your first choice is taken, try a simple variation. Once you're happy with it, click Continue. You'll now select categories that describe what you create. Think about how a new supporter would search for your work. Choose the categories that best fit your primary content, whether that's videos, podcasts, writing, art, music, or something else. Accurate categories help Patreon recommend your page to the right people. Click Continue when you're done. You'll be prompted to add your main social profile. Linking a public, active account builds trust and gives visitors an easy way to explore more of your work. Paste the profile link you use most and make sure it's up to date, then click Continue. That's it. You've successfully created a Patreon creator page. From here, you can preview your page, explore settings, and add polish over time. A thoughtful name, a clean URL, accurate categories, and a verified social link set a solid foundation for growth. Thanks for watching, and congrats on launching your creator page.